Alright guys, we're here at the beach and it's hot. I'm going to turn it around and let you see the parking lot, and here's a store here, and then we'll go on to the beach area. Well, here's the parking lot, and there's a jetty store right there, and there's several pavilions, as you can see, that you can use. I've never been here before, so I'm hoping I'm doing the right thing by going up the sidewalk. It appears that I am. There's some kind of food truck, I think, there. And there's the beach with the jetties where everybody snorkels and sees all the marine life. It looks like there's some park rangers down here on the four-wheeler side by side. Looks like there's kayaks you can rent. It's pretty. It looks like it's going to be a challenge in this sand to pull my thing. A little wagon here. Girl finna get on her blowed up paddleboard and get in the water. Well, I'm going to get to where I'm going to sit. And I'm probably get in the water a little bit. It's hot. Alright guys, I found the spot I'm going to be at. Got some seagulls as neighbors. They seem to be pretty relaxed this morning. Something's biting me on my leg. And I'm gonna see if I can attempt snorkeling. I'm so new at it. That's brand spanking new. Just took it out of the package. I hadn't snorkeled since I think 1998 when I went to Mexico. But we're gonna attempt it. We got an old GoPro Hero 3 I haven't used in years. I've never been in the water with it, but we're gonna see how it do, and hopefully it will show you some maybe marine life. Maybe it'll be clear, and see if folks are showing up here on the beach already. But we're gonna attempt it, so don't go anywhere, and hopefully you'll see some underwater creatures right out here around this jetty. Alright guys, I'm back from snorkeling. I didn't realize that I spent about 2 hours out there. Hopefully that GoPro worked and y'all can see some marine life under the sea. I saw a couple of stingrays. There's a few jellyfish, and you'll probably see if the video is working. That about scared the life out of me. They was pretty close. But now we're just gonna chill out on the beach a little bit. And hopefully not get sunburnt. We got some sun spray, so hopefully we won't.
There's no jellyfish right here. Look at it moving. Look up. Are there any jellyfish beyond?
I'm sure it's gonna get a lot crowded before it's over with. But right now it's not a whole lot of people. Alright. Well, stay tuned. Don't go nowhere. We're not through with Panama City yet.